Hello everyone. So this is my web application here. The first you can see the login page. So if you don't have the user, you need to register first. But now we have the website. We have 3 users here, so we can log in one. So here is the two login type, which is common user and admin. If you log in as admin, you can do some function here, such as delete user or add user or push article like that. But if you only log in as common user, you can modify user information or can delete user and also you can't add a user. So if you log in as a common user, what things you can do is just only view the comments, notifiers or articles like that, something like that. So we can try now. Okay, example in login. So you can see the user information here and the notice information here. Also there is a calendar. You can see the date here. There is the article list. This is the information. This is the user, the information of the user. And you can change. You can modify your information if you want. This is a view. You can after you can if you want to write view, you can write something here. Save. Now this is your view. And the message. This is the history of you send the message to another user or receive the message from another user. So if you want to send the message to QA, yeah. So it's me. Let's see. Okay, now you send the message to QA. So because you are logging as the manager, you can do some function here. You can publish article, blah blah blah. Okay, so now you publish your article here. Also you can publish notice or modify notice here, and you can delete user or add some user here. Now you can delete it. So there are only 2 users now. Okay, so we see another user say the comment. Okay. So message. So this is the message which it come from admin. So this admin send the message to QA. So now you can see it in your home page. Okay. Okay, that's all. Thank you guys.